Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make hard fuel lines. Begin by gathering materials and safety gear, then lay out your workspace with good lighting and ventilation. Measure and mark the routing path on the vehicle, accounting for bends and clearances. Choose the correct tubing and fittings for pressure and fuel type, and verify measurements twice. Keep tools organized, and review each step before cutting tubing to avoid costly mistakes or leaks. Measure and mark the tube carefully and secure it in a vise or fixture before cutting to ensure a straight edge. Then use a quality tubing cutter for a clean, square cut. Deburr both the inside and outside of the end with a reamer or file to prevent leaks and poor fit. When flaring or bending, support the tube and apply steady pressure for smooth curves that maintain internal diameter and sealing surfaces. Dry fit all components first to confirm alignment and clearance, then assemble fittings by hand before using a torque wrench to reach specified values for the hardware. Perform a pressure test with an inert medium at the recommended test pressure and watch for bubbles or pressure drop to reveal leaks. If any leak appears, disassemble, inspect sealing surfaces, and redo the flare or fitting as needed until the system holds pressure reliably and safely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.